Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fakhri Ahmad and my student identification number is 21107322023. This video is a reading report for second language acquisition class C. Actually, this is the topic 11. The material is about cognitive approach. There are two terms that we are going to there are two terms about the cognitive approach. The first one is proper property theory. Property theory, by the simple, it is a we can say that it is a, co- a competence. Next one is transitivity. Transitivity, known as, or we can say that it is a performance. um, it is also talk about that knowledge and language is a special thing, because if we want to talk, or if we want to learn or talk about it, we need to learn it one by one, learning and language and knowledge. But on the other hand, they also say that we can combine it and learn it together, the language and the knowledge before. Next is processing approach. It is There are two kind of things that we also going to talk about. The first one is processability. Next one is information processing model. uh, the processability, there are STM and LTM. STM is short-term memories. It is like a memory just at the time, or it is only short time. Next is long-term memories, which is like, yeah, long-term, like our daily life activity. In information processing model, there are two terms also. The first one is automatization, which is the learner, or automatization, it is uh, construct their own rules. But the second one is structuralization, which is they're already structure, they already have the structures. Next is application of act to learning strategies based on O'Malley and Kamat. It is depend on the learner itself, because yeah, how the it is how the ability of the learner, and something like that. There are several terms that talk about here also. The first one is like information analyzing, monitoring, then to performance. It is also they also say that learning is a skill, so language is a skill. So language learning is how we can manipulate the information, the skills to manipulate the information. Next is about fluency development. In my understanding, it is talk about the strategy to about the fluency of the development of the fluency of the at the language that we learned. Next is processability theory. It is said that it is, in my opinion also, it is talk about the ability of the learners to acquire the grammatical rules of a language that they learn. And also there are several step two in these terms, like the first time they construct a messy sentences, something like that, until like they can construct like subordinate clause, uh, and other things, so on and so forth. Next is connectionism. It is like, by in my opinion, in my understanding, it is like practice make perfect. Like it is depend use of memory is important in this case, because and that's why we need a strong cognitive ability in these terms. That's all for me. Thank you.